There's the piston. Rotating the motor. It's not moving. What's going on, guys? Cruising to go check out Silverback. Was doing some testing and something happened on cylinder number 8. I don't know if it broke a wrist pin or a piston or what exactly happened. So I'm gonna go drop the pan just to get an idea before we start pulling the motor on it again. So let me get there, let me get everything set up, and then I'll show y'all what happened. We meet again, old friend. See what your problem is. Alright guys, so got the pan dropped on Silverback, and obviously, as you can see, a rod broke. Luckily, as you can see up here, let me try to get it to, there it goes. Once again, you can see the rod broke, and about the only thing we can take out of this on the positive note is that the block should, for the most part, be okay. It is a little damaged right there. It looks like it might have hit the bottom of the sleeve some. So maybe a sleeve can get replaced. I need to get with the builder and see. Kind of scraped up at the top of the block, and then see if it can focus some right there, where the other part of the rod hit cylinder 7. So this is cylinder 8, cylinder 7. So yeah, I mean, that's what happened. It's unfortunate. I'm gonna assume RPMs, that it was RPM related. Like I said, I'm gonna assume it's RPM related. That's the only thing I can think. We didn't have that much timing on it. It was only at 17 degrees timing, but Lund had it shifting at like 7,300. I wouldn't think that would be much of a problem. I-beam rods, it's all the best stuff internally, and I really doubt Lund's gonna say, let's shift it that high with a motor that can't take it or something like that. So I'm gonna get with the builder, see what we can do, see what it's gonna take to fix it exactly. And I got stuff on my head. Whatever. Anyways, I'll worry about that later. So yeah, I'll get with the builder, see what we gotta do to fix it, so we can get this thing back out and go to racing. We already had plans to go to the track and start chasing an 8-second pass. It really should have done it. It had the mile per hour from the stick setup at 153, and I was in the heat, no ice, all the little things that you can do to improve it. We were gonna go to Racy 85 with the ethanol 1R so we can run some more timing. But just didn't get to. Did the auto swap, went and did some test hits, raced a buddy for testing, and this shit happened. So anyways, that's basically it for now. That's a temporary update. Set up a little pressure setup for the intercooler. Put about just under 20 psi on it. There's water in there, it's hard to see. But anywho, come over here, see that drop. Had it sit on here for a couple minutes. And obviously this is without boost going through it, but see that drop right there? You definitely have a leaking intercooler. So the intercooler is definitely leaking. So we're gonna have to get a new intercooler. So I'm pretty sure with water flowing across this, and then however much boost we're pushing, 20 plus. This might have been a big reason of why we bent rods. So kind of a good, kind of good news, kind of not good news, but at least we possibly found the issue. Your injectors are right there. I'm still gonna get them flowed, take them on Monday. So there's your update.